In this video, I'll show you how to add signer authentication with SMS codes in under 3 minutes. This is a must-know process to boost the security of your documents and ensure that only authorized individuals can sign them. Stay tuned because I'll also give you exclusive access to a free trial of the software we're using, which will make this process even easier, and it's only available to viewers of my channel. Alright, let's dive into it. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your account on the software we're using today. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings or Security section. Most platforms will have this option under Account Settings or something similar. Now, find the option to enable two-factor authentication or signer authentication with SMS codes. You might see it as an Add SMS Authentication or Enable SMS setting. Click on that. It might ask you for your phone number, and you'll enter the phone number that you want to use to receive the SMS codes. Once you've entered the phone number, the software will send a verification code to that number. It's usually a 6-digit code that you'll need to enter into the platform to confirm that you own the number. This is a crucial step to ensure that everything is legitimate and secure. After confirming the code, you'll be prompted to save the changes. That's it for the basic setup. Now, when a signer tries to access the document, they'll receive an SMS code, which they'll need to enter before they can sign. This extra layer of security ensures that only authorized individuals are able to sign your documents. Make sure to test this out with a test document. Send the document to a colleague or friend and make sure the SMS code is working properly. If everything checks out, you're good to go. Key takeaway: adding signer authentication with SMS codes is a quick and simple process that drastically improves your document security. By enabling this feature, you ensure that only the right people can sign your documents. Before you go, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's available only to viewers of this channel, and it'll make this process even smoother for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.